The Schluter shelf, with its sleek design, can be used both inside the shower and out. In bathrooms, kitchens, or any tiled wall application, the shelf is the perfect mix of style and function. The shelves are made of 5 32/2 thick brushed stainless steel. A variety of shapes and configurations are available. Schluter Shelf W is a rectangular shelf with 2 trapezoid perforated anchoring legs and is offered in 2 styles. It is designed to coordinate with the curve and floral styles found in Kerdi drain and Kerdi line drain grates. The shelf is installed on walls in conjunction with the tiles. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Schluter Shelf W. Let's get started. Install the wall tile up to the joint where the shelf will be placed. A grout joint width of approximately 3/16 inch or greater would eliminate the need to notch the tiles where the shelf is placed. However, with today's typically narrow joints, it will often be necessary to make cuts. If notching the tiles is necessary, placing the notch in the tiles below the shelf will result in a visually appealing even line above. Slide the bottom anchoring leg behind the tile. Install the remainder of the tile. Provide temporary support if needed. Grout the application. After the grout is set, seal the joint between the shelf and the wall tile with a suitable material. We used a clear 100% silicone in our installation. You can use painter's tape on the surrounding tile and/or the shelf if desired. Fill the top and bottom surfaces with the sealant and finish the joint. We used a caulking tool, but other methods may be used as well, depending on installer preference. Allow the sealant to set before using the shelf. The installation of the Shelf W is now complete. Schluter Shelf, a convenient accessory that offers style and function for tiled walls.